It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. The brilliant scheme to make Shiba Inu coin a $3 behemoth is hatched by Microsoft. News from SHIB today. Many Shiba Inu investors are keeping their fingers crossed that the token's value will increase as the community has developed swiftly in recent years. The value of SHIB, like that of any cryptocurrency, can rise or fall depending on a number of things and market conditions. Meme tokens could be a great investment opportunity for traders year-round due to a number of variables. Thanks to CoinCodex's AI study, Finbold was able to predict the Shiba Inu price on Easter Sunday 2023 in anticipation of the upcoming Easter vacations. Discussing Microsoft's brilliant scheme to make Shiba Inu coin a $3 behemoth is the subject of this video. The latest updates about Shiba Inus. In order to stay up to date on our latest information about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, make sure to subscribe, share and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. On April 9th, the Shiba Inu is expected to trade for $0.00009976 USD based on data received on March 21st. But compared to SHIB's current pricing of $0.000192 USD, the expected price is a little lower. Buying Shiba Inus around Easter isn't going to do anything for cryptocurrency traders. Traders should be prepared for price volatility in digital assets due to their probable use as Easter gifts or at particular shops. Shiba Inu has a lot of room to expand and be used by many people and companies if they start to see it as a legitimate payment option. Shiba Inu prices can go up if this causes more demand for the breed. Traders on the finance and crypto analytics platform are pessimistic about SHIB based on their sentiment on one-day measures. Oscillators are in the buy zone at 2, and moving averages hint to a strong sell at 14, therefore the summary suggests selling at 14. At the moment, one SHIB is worth $0.000192 USD. Has a market cap of $6.2 billion, down 1.54% in the past 24 hours and an additional 3.81% over the past week. Curiously, the crypto community had already predicted a slightly higher SHIB price for March 31, 2023, at $0.001991 with 83% historical accuracy prior to April 9th. In comparison to the Easter Sunday AI prediction and far higher, there is speculation that Shibarium would raise demand for SHIB, which might cause its price to skyrocket, and that it could also bring a new use case for the cryptocurrency. For the Shiba Inu community and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole, the release of Shibarium's beta version is a major step forward. Thanks to its lightning-fast and cheap transaction processing, Shibarium has the ability to completely change the game for Layer 2 solutions. Staking rewards and a decentralized exchange (DEX) that works with SHIB and other tokens built on the Ethereum network ERC20. The latest update opens the metaverse up to the construction of buildings, enterprises, decentralized financial platforms, etc. According to popular belief, the metaverse is actually a collection of separate and dispersed planets. Because of this, the goal of creating SHIB the metaverse, which uses Shibarium as its foundation, was to bring the landscapes together. Plans to expand next-gen capabilities to gaming are in the works, in addition to the original goal of enabling regular users to engage in visual activities in the area. The group has extended an invitation to game developers all around the globe to join the metaverse and leverage the Shibarium blockchain to inspire players to make, share and experience original content. The widely used native token of the Shiba ecosystem, Shiba Inu, establishes new benchmarks, according to Shitoshi Kusama, a lead developer of the project. It is identical to SHIB in the metaverse. In this amazing metaverse experience, people from all walks of life will be able to find, build, trade, sell and purchase things, as well as live in a new environment that offers a plethora of chances and experiences to those who participate. Include the brand new Shibarium blockchain, the Shiba Inu token ecosystem, and the world's greatest community, the SHIB army. Only by utilizing the extraordinary intellect and technological prowess of our members and contributions will we be able to achieve this standard of excellence. During this year's South by Southwest SXSW, which took place from March 13th to the 15th, the whole alpha preview edition of SHIB the Metaverse was on exhibit. To fill you in, SXSW first opened its doors in Austin, Texas in 1987. Renowned conferences and festivals draw creatives from all over the world for exhibits, networking events and more. During the recently concluded show, the alpha preview version showcased the WAGMI Hub and all the possibilities it offers. The WAGMI Hub is the first of 11 in the SHIB the Metaverse, and this is something to keep in mind. Many technological advantages can be yours with Shibarium thanks to its creative solutions, which include off-chain computing and storage, powerful encryption approaches and more, including better privacy and security, more adaptability, less latency, cheaper fees and more throughput. Decentralized transactions, gaming, social networking and other new use cases can be revolutionized by these advantages, which can propel blockchain technology into the future and change the direction of innovation in the metaverse. Of last week's SXSW festival in Texas, Quano had a meeting with Ted Schilowitz, the futurist of Paramount Pictures, an American film production business. This led many to believe that the SHIB had made significant progress. A project in the metaverse. At SXSW, Charlie Fink wrote about the rapidly expanding project with a dog theme, which showcased the Wagmi Temple Center. The American business journal Forbes recently featured a Shiba Inu in a tech piece. This year's South by Southwest SXSW Festival in Austin, Texas, was a success for the well-known dog-themed project, which debuted the Wagmi Temple Hub in the metaverse. Tech colonists' experiences at SXSW and the FOMO that comes with being present or missing were recounted by Charlie Fink, a metaverse consultant and AR author. It would be extremely difficult, if not impossible, to attend every single event at the festival, in his opinion. Therefore, tourists should trust on chance encounters and realize that fear of missing out will always be there. The unveiling of the Shiba Inu Metaverse project was one of the events that Fink highlighted at this year's festival. In reference to the metaverse's importance and appeal, he said that it is the most anticipated project on the next Shibarium Layer 2 network. The news that the metaverse team unveiled the Wagmi were all going to make it Temple Hub at the SXSW festival was originally reported by Crypto Basic, and now it's in Forbes. At the launch, guests got a sneak peek at the metaverse environment as it would run on the robust Unreal Engine 5 development platform. As the Shiba Inu continues to gain popularity around the world, it is heartening to see it recognized by Forbes. Marcy Jastro, an advisor for Shiba Inus in the metaverse, gained widespread recognition after the article. Furthermore, the chief developer of Shiba Inus, Shitoshi Kusama, also brought attention to the update. This is the most current in a string of Shiba Inu-related stories published in Forbes. Notable figures mentioned in last year's Flink article on the Shiba Inu metaverse include futurist Chiri Quano and Marcy Jastro, who will lead the project's development. Bitflyer, a well-known private corporation and cryptocurrency exchange in Japan, has now announced that it will add Shiba Inu to its network. As a way to celebrate the milestone, Bitflyer announced a lottery-style distribution of SHIB tokens to its customers. The exchange's official Twitter account tweeted the news of the adjustment. 20 fortunate lottery winners will each receive Shiba Inu tokens valued at 10,000 Japanese yen, or $1,500 according to the tweet, which was translated from Japanese. The Shiba Inu will be listed today, according to the exchange. They intend to provide 10,000 Japanese yen, around $75 in prizes to commemorate the listing. Just 3 easy steps are required of the participant. To take part in the Bitflyer lottery, follow the official Twitter account, retweet the tweet that revealed the development, and last, click on a booster link. This promotion will continue until SHIB is officially listed on the exchange, which is today. This comes after years of lobbying by Chiyi, a Shiba Inu advocate from Japan, who is well known for circulating petitions, requesting that Japanese exchanges back SHIB. The official announcement was 3 hours away, but Chiyi had already pleaded with Bitflyer to list the asset again. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and give it a big thumbs up.